Yeah, I had a phone call while I was on the phone with the guy from O'Reilly's, and I'm gonna return that really quick. Sorry guys, I apologize about that. Hey. So, we. Okay, well look, I'll give you a shout out anyway. Yo, this is my homegirl Jalen. We shooting a video. She's straight showing me love while I'm changing my spark plug. So shout out to Jalen, straight out of Ohio.
Tell Jalen I say hi.
Yo, you know how we do. The Redmonds, we get it in, or they get it in.
Hi,
But all right,
Jalen.
girl, I'm gonna holler at you. I almost got it going on. I'm almost going. I'm almost done. I'm gonna holler at you when I finish changing these plugs. All right. Yep, that's my homie. I fucks with it. Take your time up. I'll pause for the calls for a homie. So, we got the first one out. We're gonna take the first one, the old one. Drop it in. Close it up. Hit it to the side. We know it's already done. It's not any confusion. We'll take them out one by one at a time, so we don't get anything crossed. Now, I got it in. I tightened it pretty snugly, and I'm just gonna place the cap back on top. Looks good. Okay. So we have 3 on each side. Gonna take a pause, finish the last 2 on this side, and we'll rejoin you guys when we get back to the other side. I got to the last plug on what I call the difficult side, and I couldn't get it out. I was working hard. I figured that I may need to purchase an extender to extend the socket so I could get a better grip to loosen and remove the plug. It didn't really. It turned out that I got in there, got my hands dirty, you know, got it out. So crisis averted. We're actually putting the last plug in, and we're gonna go over to the other side, do the other 3. I'll let you guys watch me do that to let you know about how long it'll take for the easy side. So stick in. Back to our story. So, next shouting out Shayna, Bizzle, all the little Bizzles, all the little wars. Shout out Bay, D-War, Real, you know, cutting it up over there at damn. If I want to film, I could tell you, because that's where I get my hair cut. Cutting it up down there at my bad, Tiki, man. My bad. Shout out to the whole barbershop. Everybody in there. Tiki, Real, couple dudes I don't know, Lobo. They all cutting it up in there. Headquarters, that's what it is. Alright, bet. Shout out to all of them. You know what I'm saying? Holla at Shayna.
Well, you didn't find a dude yet?
Nah, I ain't find the dude, but you know what? I done got up in here myself, and I'm almost done. I got the hard side done. I'm about to start on the easy side. Like I said, my shade tree mechanic was right up the street. This gentleman let me know where he lived. I went by his house. I couldn't get him. So, you know, yeah, you're shady. But anyway, he let me know where he was. I tried to get up with him. I couldn't, so I'm doing it my damn self. Save you some money, everybody out there.
What, do you set him?
They came preset. I ain't have to do nothing to them. Yeah. Mind you, the little white girl at the counter told me, oh, well, they already, you got the platinum plug. You good? I said, oh, really? I still was gonna have him do it because I ain't never did it before. This is my first time. If I fuck it up, I'm going to look for him. I'll be right back down there. But I think it'll be alright. Look, shout out to the neighbor Snoop over there trying to get his handyman in. Trying to get his... Oh, Snoop! You needed to jump, nigga. Go over there and holler at Snoop.
I'm not gonna holler at Snoop.
Fucking with Snoop.
No.
But for real, gotta get your handyman, gotta get you do it yourself. Have you some spark plugs, some jumper cables. Have you tools, little socket sets, screwdrivers, Allen wrenches. You know, whatever you need to try to keep that shit tight.
Word.
Tightening it up. Like I said, I want to get it pretty tight. Get it really snug. Ain't gonna pull it. Don't want to over tighten it. Don't want to stress the grooves. Whenever you're screwing something in, make sure you line the grooves up. You don't want to fuck up the threading. You don't want to mess up your threading.
No.
You know. So try to think through whatever you're gonna do before you get it done. Before you go in at it, like I did. Like I said, have you some emergency money in case you fuck up and get somebody to fix it.
Oh God. Bugs and whatnot.
Who got a phone on right? I can use right quick.
I got a phone right up here somewhere, buddy. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Pause and get the Okay. Thanks, you guys. We're back. Sorry about we had to take a small break. Security had to remove some individuals from the shoot. Knowledge is free, everybody. That's why I'm doing this video. I feel like if you know something that can help somebody out, you should try to help them. I do appreciate the gentleman for all his efforts and all his help today, but it was a little after the facts. I'm halfway done, and I'm good now. Oh, shoot. Well, really shit. I left the filter. Okay. Come on, guys. Come with me. Oh, I'm getting my water out of the sun because it's not going to be no good. Come on. We're good. I'm just grab the filter. Bye. Oh, cut.
You want me to cut? I could.